Most small YouTubers think they're failing because of the algorithm, but the real reason they're stuck. They're trying to grow without a clear identity. Their thumbnails look different in every video. Their topics are all over the place, and they're uploading at random times without any strategy. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't hate small channels, it just doesn't understand them yet. The algorithm looks for patterns. So if your content is inconsistent, YouTube has no clue who to recommend you to. The fix: choose a niche. Use the same tone, style, and thumbnail layout every time. Upload on a schedule. Even once a week is enough. And most importantly, optimize for retention, just views. Because YouTube will push your video if people stay to watch it. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need viral trends. You need focus, consistency, and content that speaks to one type of viewer. That's how you grow from zero the smart way.